Hello, welcome to Healthy Life. In today's video we talk about the 8 best foods to eat for losing belly fat. 1. Pumpkin. Pumpkin puree contains more fiber than quinoa and more potassium than a banana, making it an antioxidant-rich, low-calorie choice. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great alternative to chips for a heart-healthy, satisfying on-the-go snack because they are high in monounsaturated fats. 3. Yogurt. A study found that obese persons who consumed 3 cups of fat-free yogurt daily shed considerably more fat and weight. 4. Chickpeas. This legume is a vegan powerhouse full of fiber and plant-based protein, both of which can help with your weight loss attempts. 5. Red bell peppers. The good news is that vitamin C in bell peppers is extremely effective at fighting belly fat. 6. Beans. Beans are high in soluble fiber, which reduces inflammation in your digestive system. Chronic inflammation can lead to increased weight gain. 7. Raspberries. To add even more substance to your morning, add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. 8. Oats. A steaming dish of oats topped with fruit may be the most comfortable thing on a cold,